welcome to TV, and I'm going to show you this Puppy Playset. So let's open the box. So we already opened it, so now we're going to do it again. And boom! Whoa! Oh, wow, jeez. Cool. Let's get them out of the box. First, this carrying. Whoa! This actually opens. So that opens for a puppy. Oh wow! I see this. Look at this. It's a cute little puppy. I'll put this right in here because he likes to get inside here. Just sleep for a minute. Can we see? It's pretty stuck there, so I'll get it out. Throw it out the bowl. Look at this little adorable. So let me try to do one of these. Oh, I got the pink one. Look at this pink doggy food. It's pretty cute. So let's put that right here. Another one. Oh, there's two. There's three. Look at this other doggy. It's pretty cute. Now we'll put that right there. Now the next one. Yeah! Oh, it went flying. Look at this. Alrighty, let's get this back. Whoa, it went flying. So here's the two balls. Now I'm going to get out this. Whoa! This looks like there's a frisbee. There's 3 frisbees. Yeah. Okay, so try to get this one out. Okay, it's coming out. Got this one out. There. The dresses. Here we go. Now time for the other one. Okay. Oh, I got it. Look at this little dog. Cute. And look at this. Cuties. Now for the girl. Wow, she looks good. And now let's take out the puppy. Let's take out the puppy. Hold on. Oh, it's pretty hard to take out. Oh, we got her out. Now here she is with her dog, and she's actually pretty cute. You can take her for a walk with her leash because it's actually kind of cute. Okay, let's check out this little girl. Oh, wow. She can't move her head, but she can. See, all around. And let's check out that other girl that she moves her head. Oh, yeah. And we got some other things that it comes with. Bring me the scissors. Thank you. You want to be careful. There we go. Got the puppies. And now time for the other puppy. Wow, it's pretty cute. We'll put that right there. And now oh, look at this puppy. It's so cute. Look at this puppy. I was going to comb the hair because it's going to get soft. So you can comb the hair. And it's all done. And then we can add some dresses on the little puppies so we can do something for them. See? Actually, like, cute. we'll play with these toys again. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.